1. Eat and drink properly before and after each run. Have a power bar or a banana about 30 minutes before running, and eat a protein-rich meal afterward to help recovery. Stay well hydrated, but avoid drinking too much right before running to prevent cramps. 2. Plan your run. Decide what distance you want to run and where you want to go. Consider factors like hills and running surfaces when planning your route. Hills tend to be harder to run. 3. Dress appropriately. Wear lightweight running shoes that are in good condition and fit your feet well. Wear cool, comfortable clothes that will wick sweat while you run. 4. Take a warm-up lap around the block, school, track, or any other place that will take a few minutes to run around. 5. Do various stretches to help loosen your muscles. Focus on the legs, but also stretch your arms, shoulders, back, and core. 6. Complete your run at a steady pace. If needed, walk briefly, then keep running. Stay relaxed in your upper body and land from midfoot to toe. 7. Breathe well. Breathing is important in running long distances, and learning how to breathe while running can help tremendously. 8. After running, rest and drink water. Stretch well to minimize soreness after the run. 9. Run every day. This will help condition your body and get yourself used to running. This will be hard at first, but you will get stronger and start to feel more comfortable running. 10. Gradually increase your running distance. Start at 1 kilometer, then slowly build up to 5 kilometers and 10 kilometers until you reach your goal. 11. Enter some races. If you are in junior high or high school, join the track and cross-country team, or join a local running club and enter races in your town or city. Try to get a personal best each time you do a race. 12. Keep at it. Distance running is very difficult and not many people keep it up. But you can. People will really admire you for keeping at it, and you will be happier and healthier throughout your life.